Lovelies, this is the time for us to make money. Oh, get paid to watch videos online. Step by step, I'm going to guide you. I know it might not be new, but it is new because I'm bringing it in a elaborative way. Did you know that you can actually get paid to watch videos online? It sounds too good to be true, right? But with the right platform, it's legit ways to make extra cash in time and even over time, you guys. I'll walk you through in a step-by-step guide on how to earn money by watching videos using platforms. We have different platforms. We have Swagbuck, I've talked about it several times. We have InDollars, we have Paidwork, I've used this. Whether you're a student, you're a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for easy way to earn money, this is how we can get started. I will not take long. I want this video to be short, though it is a guide. There's different stages we're going to do on this. I want you first step, sign up for Swagbuck. First step, Swagbuck, sign up. It's one of the most common and popular platforms for you to do. What you do, go to your browser, visit swagbuck.com and sign up for free account. Register. After registering, watch section where you'll find short videos on a variety of topics. They have very many videos like entertainment, technical reviews, and news. Watch those videos and earn points. These points are also called SB. Redeem these points in different ways. You can redeem your points by getting money, that is through PayPal. You can redeem by gift cards. You can also redeem by getting back money, direct transfer. Gift cards, you can use these gift cards on Amazon, on Walmart, even on Starbucks. What I tell you to do on this website, you need to combine video watching with surveys or daily tasks. The moment you on this Swagbuck and you want to earn enough money, just combine them to maximize your earnings. Don't depend on one. Then the second step, you can earn also cash with Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is also a very old platform. You head over to your browser, put the word inboxdollars.com. When the first interface comes, just go and sign up. You sign up for free, don't pay money. If they ask you money, no, that is a wrong platform. And you even get $5 bonus just by joining. $5 bonus by joining. Navigate to the videos sections and also on the dashboard. You can go to the dashboard, watch video ads, movie trailers, product demos, and even real. Then you start earning real cash. Payments are made via through PayPal, gift cards, once you reach a minimum threshold of $30. What's great about Inbox Dollars is that they pay you in cash, not just points, which may be, I think you may prefer this one. This is one of the oldest platform that most people have enjoyed. Another one you can go to make money with Paidwork. This one was my first platform that I joined when I was starting to earn money online. What you do, go to your browser. You can use your browser, or you can go to your App Store or Google Store. You download this platform, the Paidwork. After downloading the Paidwork, you create your account. On the platform, you'll find tasks that include watching video ads. You can do video ads, and even there are more other 6 ways for you to earn on this platform. But each task has a set of payout, and the money adds up quickly if you're consistent. But if you're not consistent, of course, it will not come so fast. These people, they pay you in different ways, but like me, they paid me through PayPal and bank transfer. Once you hit your minimum account and minimum payout, and minimum payout here is so low, so it is easy for you to reach it. Paidwork also offer other opportunities like completing surveys, micro tasks, and even you can also go to both of them for you to meet the threshold. You can also go for gaming. There's even other ones. Then another way to earn money by watching videos, you can go to optimize your earning time. Here is how you do it, and how you should do it, and how you should continue doing it, because I repeated it because I know some people don't know how to optimize to make money, because they'll say, Christine, you bring these things but there is no money. Dedicate a specific time in each day for watching videos, using multiple platforms, not one, such that you earn here, you earn there. Let videos run while you're doing other things. You don't need to sit there and do it. You can make your small video, those ads to run. Keep track of your earnings and cash out. Another point and the step I want you to focus on is understanding your limitations. While watching videos online can be easy, but keep in mind that it won't make you rich. Because some of you, when you hear like this, you might go and start pricing a very high first class end building. This is for extra cash, for things like coffee, snacks, small savings, for you not to run out of money. To truly maximize your income, combine this method with other side hustles of earning opportunities. Now, what do I tell you in conclusion, you guys? I tell you that getting paid to watch videos online is not just a myth, it's real. And it's very good. It is really good for beginners who are coming on these platforms for earning money and to earn extra cash. Platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Paid Work make it possible to turn your downtime into income. Whether you're watching ads, trailers, or product reviews, every little bit adds up. Guys, have you ever used it on any of these platforms? Have you ever heard of any of these platforms? If you've ever, please go to the comment section and let us know what was your experience and how is it. Getting paid to watch these videos is very cool. I've been on 2 of these videos and I've enjoyed them. Now that we are here, are you excited to try any of these platforms if you've never tried one? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget, you guys, your engagement is very highly appreciated and needed. As I always tell you, we come here to teach you. We come here to let you know, but we want to earn money from what we teach. Since we are not asking money for tutorials and for other things, please share with your friends. Tell them that there is making money with a smartphone. Our main goal is to make sure that we kick poverty out of ourselves. Poverty is not that time that we are going to get billions of money, but at least let's never fail to get money in our bank account. This has been Christine, you guys. I love you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye.